Okay, let's meet guys. One of the aspirant or candidates of Mr. Philippines Island. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Brian Calgao Politoy. I'm 29 years old. I am a nurse by profession. What I'm usually doing when it comes to prior joining this competition is to make sure to have a time management. I've been working as a nurse in the morning and virtual assistant at night, and somehow I still have a time for me to go to gym for me to prepare my body, and hopefully this preparation that I've made in this competition will make me win this competition.
Wow, hindi pa yun ang tanong ha. Pero this is island-inspired questions, okay? So, heto na. Anong island destination sa Pilipinas ang gusto mong i-promote at bakit?
Well, coming from province of Tarlac, I believe that I will promote the Monasterio de Tarlac because this symbolizes not just only our deep faith when it comes to every people here in Tarlac, but also this is also the best place for us to show that will be a tourist spots that you can go when someone would like to go to Tarlac, and hopefully everyone would have a chance to visit with me together, visit Tarlac because in Tarlac masaya to sa Tarlac. Thank you.
Wow! Ang ganda ng iyong kasagutan. So, ano ang first impression ng tao sa iyo na madalas mali pala?
To be honest, most of people see me as masungit, but definitely it's not. But the moment that I smile and talking with them, giving them an therapeutic communication, that is something that will make them realize that they are not correct with their impression. But anyway, I appreciate their impression because every person have the right to say something about the person, and it really depends upon the person how you're going to present yourself in front of them. Thank you.
Wow,
Okay,
napaka-outspoken yan.
Okay.
Eto na last na to, since eto namang question na to ay pageant but light question lang din. Ano ang pinaka-exciting part ng pagiging Mr. Philippine Island candidate?
The most exciting part as a candidate of Mr. Philippine Island is how we're going to bring ourselves together with our purpose and our service. As a nurse by profession, if I will win in this competition, what I would do is to use my profession to have a health committee programs together with the organization, because at the end of the day, what's the most important is that every community should have someone who can inspire them by being a good speaker, and hopefully this person who's standing in front of you will definitely bring a healthier and strong community where everyone feels safe and feel seen. And thank you.
Wow, very well said. So please invite the viewers to follow your social media accounts.
Hi everyone. Follow me. You can follow me on Facebook. You can search my name, Brian Calgao Polita, and right now, don't forget also to keep voting for me. Right ngayon, number 1 tayo, and hopefully at the end of the voting, we can still we can move forward. We can move forward sa finals automatically. And if in case man hindi tayo pala rin na manalo sa voting, I will do all my best to represent our love to the best that I can. Thank
And
you.
of course, invite them on your coronation night.
I'm inviting everyone to watch Mr. Philippine Island on March 29 around 7 p.m. If hindi man kayo makapanood ng mismong dito sa area sa
Venue.
Bay Area Suites, I hope that you can also watch the live videos. You can follow also the Pound Labs Media because that's the social media that they will use for them to have an online viewers to this coming coronation night, and also with the other platforms that na nakatutok po sa budget.
Okay, so rooting for you to get the crown, okay?
Thank you.
Good luck!
Thank you
Galing
po.
mo namang mag-stage para kang